अब हम खेलेंगे अपने लवली गेस्ट्स के साथ एक 5 सेकंड रूल गेम। मैं जल्दी से एक सवाल पूछूंगी और उन्हें जल्दी जल्दी जवाब देना है। सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद सानिया एंड वी विल गो ऑल द वे।
ओह माय गॉड।
अच्छा, नेम 3 comedians that you admire. And it doesn't have to be necessarily 3, you can even say 2.
Okay. First one, honestly मैं comedians को सुनती ही नहीं हूँ।
ठीक है, fair enough. What about you?
Me, I like Abdullah Durrani. I was telling him गाड़ी में आसान है। और तीसरा कौन है? तीसरा आरजू तमकीनत। I think they're cool.
Okay, cool, great.
3 comedians that I like: Tavish Ashmi, and honestly Tamkinat. मुझे Meher got me hooked on her content. I think she is super
Really, I got to check it out.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you will love. Yeah.
और अली अब्दुल्ला माज़दी, उस्मान मदर के साथ मेरे दोस्त अकबर चौधरी।
3
MTV का shout out नहीं होता है? No, obviously Hassan bin Shaheen, Tamkinat, and who else? I guess Amar Zaidi also. He's
Amar
really
Zaidi.
funny.
Okay, great. ये हसान इसलिए तो नहीं बोल रही because खुद का मियाँ है।
No.
हाँ, you like
really
it?
funny.
He is actually funny. That's why.
How cute. अच्छा, 3 dishes जो कि घर में खाने में बनती हैं ईद पे हर हाल में। 3
हलीम,
हर हाल में।
शीर कोरमा
अच्छा,
and biryani.
Nice.
हलवा पूरी, we have that. शीर खुरमा and या बिरयानी होती है हमेशा। बिरयानी नहीं होगी तो कोरमा तो होगा।
कोरमा, हाँ, I love कोरमा। पता ना अगर बना हुआ हो।
अभी
I
hope घर पे है। एकदम से मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया सोच के।
पराठे, कोरमा, पागलपन, क्योंकि पागल भी बनाते हैं ना आप। ईदी मिलेगी, ईदी जमा होगी, तो ये 3 डिशें बनती हैं।
ये पागलपन वाली डिश तो बहुत ही स्पेशल होगी। What about you, man?
We have the shahi tukre, and I think we're a pulao family. Pulao and korma.
Ooh, I like pulao.
This
Which
is
pulao?
called biryani in Lahore.
No, I like pulao as well. So Meher, and this is I think something you might enjoy as well. अगर younger generation पे हमने कोई example set करनी है और कोई tradition बनाना है, that is something that should carry on with them, like your kids or your family में nephews हैं, nieces हैं. What is the one thing that you want to teach them?
Good question.
I would teach them to love themselves, because जिस तरह की दुनिया में वो आ रहे हैं, there's so many filters, there's so much noise, there's so much duplicity. हर कोई सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ ना कुछ बनावट करके कर रहा है. So like वो बच्चा पैदा होते साथ ही they think that they have so much to aspire to. मेरा 5 साल की उम्र में मेरे 6 million followers क्यों नहीं है? Like
you're right.
they really do think that. My nephew did like look, show me some, I don't know, YouTuber, और उसके कोई 12 million followers थे और वो actually बच्चा था. And like, but my nephew was 6.
Yeah.
And he was like, oh, I want this many million followers.
Oh my God, I connect with that so well. My son sometimes feels that too. And to say he has 700 subscribers, which is pretty good.
That's amazing.
But he follows like people who have 1.2 million and he's like, how am I going to do
हम
it?
उसको फॉलो करेंगे, उसका क्या है?
Oh my God, yes, thank you.
700 प्यार हम बना रहे हैं आज।
Thank you for the support, Hassan. I love that. Acha, Hassan, tell me, what would you inculcate in the younger generation?
I would basically inculcate a love for your self-expression or your craft, चाहे वो comedy हो, writing हो, content creation हो, या even as simple as playing football हो, क्योंकि जब आप उसमें एक sense of pride feel करते हैं ना, तो that ends up like helping you throughout your life. कि मैं इसमें बेहतर होना चाहता हूँ and I want to get really good at it, not for any additional benefits that it might like accrue, but because I love this. So that I feel is important.
That is very important, and yeah, that is very good as well. And I think you are somewhat a reflection of that too.
Thanks.
Right, and then that carries forward. Bilal, what about you?
I would tell kids, and especially like we are a very online generation now, and a lot of people live online. And as someone who is online and is an online personality, I would say have a life offline, make real friends, make real friends.
True.
As someone online, I can tell you a lot of the people they're just colleagues, they're not my friends. ये मेरे दोस्त नहीं है. And because where likes, clicks, clout, all of that comes into being, they are वो मेरे interests हैं और आप उनके interest हो. आप दोस्त नहीं हो. Have friends offline.
और ये superficial interactions.
These are superficial.
They fill you up only for a while.
Yeah, it's instant gratification.
You are so hurtful to me right now.
This is instant gratification.
We called you on the live show to tell you.
हम दोस्त नहीं हैं.
You're lucky. You're one of the few friends I have from there. So the thing is, so like have a real friends outside, and also remember कि हर चीज ऑनलाइन शेयर नहीं करनी है.
Of course.
हर चीज ऑनलाइन नहीं शेयर करनी है. आप अगर आप अपने अम्मा अब्बा के साथ खाने पे जा रहे हैं, enjoy that interaction, have a conversation. Going with your siblings, ईद पे जा रहे हैं, चेरिश दैट वो है अपना फोन ऑफ कर
मेरे मिलियन व्यूज कैसे आएंगे फिर यार
नहीं, but Bilal, you seem like a family person. You're a fellow Taurian, so I can
yeah, and I'm very protective of that. I don't put them online that much. उनको होता बहुत है, हम तुमने टैग किया, तुमने रीशेयर किया क्यों नहीं किया? I was like, you don't want me to.